Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide TikTok videos from one person. So first of all, open up the TikTok application and open your profile. Now if you want a particular person to look at a video that you posted on your TikTok, now firstly just open up your TikTok video and tap on these three dots in the bottom right. From here, if you swipe left on the bottom, you will see the section here, privacy settings. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, by default this post will be visible to everyone. Now if that person is not on your follower list or on your friend on TikTok, you can set it to friends. So this way this particular post would not be visible to other people than your friends or the people that follow you back. So this is one of the ways that you can hide that video from one person. But however, if that person is on your followers list, the last thing that you can do is you need to block that person. So you can open up your profile on the TikTok, tap on the share option in the top right, and here you have the option called block. So you can simply tap on this block, and once you block this person, they won't be able to see any post that you made on TikTok. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.